In this video, I will share how you can make $3,800 per day, completely beginner friendly. You can do it from anywhere on the planet with any experience level, and you can get paid via PayPal, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Stripe, anything you choose. Sounds good? The best of the best part, you don't need technical knowledge, you don't need a website, you don't need mailing lists, and you don't need social media following. Sounds promising? Let's begin. Before we begin, let's start with today's money motivation. What you are seeing here is $56,690 in affiliate commissions on one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Now this sounds pretty promising and it's a good number for a lot of people, but this is not the most important number. The most important number in this screenshot is this: 59,031 hops. All these hops are clicked by visitors who watched our video just like this. So yes, this is the truth. We make videos in order to make money. But unlike this channel and these kind of videos with cameras and microphones, on our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones. The truth is, using camera and microphone is awesome if you can, but it's exhausting. It is not a scalable process. You cannot make videos all day long using cameras and microphones. To solve this problem for ourselves, we made our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic makes videos using AI, and you don't need camera, you don't need microphone. Epic turns images into video. What you are looking at is Epic user dash. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence, so we don't have to write script ourselves. Just copy text from anywhere on the internet and paste it here. Use any of these two buttons and your script is ready using AI. Then Epic turns this text into natural sounding voiceover from going to the audio section and clicking this button. Just put your script that Epic has generated, click one button. You can even choose the type of voiceover you like, male or female or which one. Click one button and your voiceover is ready, so you don't have to speak or record yourself. Finally, in my opinion, the most awesome part, the tiny videos you see on the right hand side, these are tiny segments. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. So when we have a video idea, we put our ideas here, we save the campaign, we go out for other work, we come back anytime we can have time, and then click the add new section to add a new section. Now here comes the secret part, and don't share this with anyone. No, share this with everyone. Do you see this drop down menu here? These are all our videos that we made using Epic, and all Epic users have access to all these videos. You can use all these videos directly, or you can use these videos as sample and develop your video from their ideas, or you can go from scratch. Is your choice. But the video we are making here is going to be on Epic as well. So if you get access to Epic free access from the link in the description, it's right there. Go grab it right now. You can use this video, the whole content inside Epic, and use it as your own video, publish on the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, get customers and make money. So this is how we make videos using Epic and run 20 plus channels and get all these hops and make all this money. Now I'm going to show you how to make videos that attract customers, and people will love to click on your links and buy from your link, and you will make money. Ready? Awesome. Are you liking this video so far? Epic is free for our YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Before we move forward, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, because we have a goal of helping 100 million people learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you have the chance to participate in this noble mission. All you have to do is to click the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timeline, so everyone else knows all this awesome information and education. They will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers in life. This is exactly how we make money and how you can make money too. Super simple. Let's move forward. Please don't say that you can't do it, because we're going to show you how you can do it in 5 minutes. This Fiverr gig offer 500 words of innovative content, and they have sold over 40,000 units of this Fiverr gig, and their standard price is $40. I said 40,000 sales because approximately 10% people come back and leave a rating, and we can see 4,000 ratings. So the approximate amount generated from this Fiverr gig alone is $1.6 million. Now, Rome wasn't built in a day, and they did not make all this money in one day. But you're going to have a tool that will make you faster, and you will love this work even if you hate writing and you don't know anything about writing. Just stay with. By the way, I promised $4.8 million in this video, so stay tuned. Now let me break it down. let us assume we have 8 hours per day to work. So 8 hours equals 480 minutes in a day. And if we take 5 minutes to write an article, not 750 words, I meant over 800 words. In fact, over 900 words. Only 5 minutes. Then in 480 minutes, we can write 96 articles. Trust me, without putting literally any effort. Besides, if you make $3,840 per day, you will love to work. Okay, in any case, if we spend 8 hours per day and 5 minutes per article, we can write 96 articles in 8 hours, and charging $40 per article, we will easily make $3,840. But there are so many other ways to make so much more money when you have a habit of writing. So we're considering you're going to make a lot more from writing alone. And if you look at Fiverr, you will find so many other ways. Only Fiverr alone, all about writing. So literally sky is the limit of what you can do with writing. And once you grow, you wrote a lot for a lot of clients, then you can actually build a writing agency. You will not be writing anymore. Other people will write for you. You will guide them. You will basically use your reputation to get more and more clients, but get the hard work done by other people. Pay them money, you keep passive profit. Well, that's basically how we make money. And all those $56,000 we showed you, those are all passive income, but they were not built in a day. We kept working and now we make a lot of money, and a lot of people make a lot of money, and you can do it too. But stay tuned, I'm going to show you $4.8 million. Now I know your question, you might be asking, oh my god, how to write 800 words in 5 minutes and continuously write literally without effort. And let me show you how. Just go to Google and search for anything. Let's say how to make money from Udemy, and you will find hundreds, if not thousands of awesome, super awesome articles. They provide literally every information you need, step by step. Choose the best one. Then go to Jasper, open boss mode, long form, create a new document. Start from scratch. Copy the whole thing. Title, put it here, and copy, just copy, just copy. Blindly copy, don't talk about it now. Complete copy paste. And now Control Shift V. You want to make it a little nice? Format it a little bit if you want with H1, H2 tags, etc. If not, forget about it. Simply hit Enter and Command. Write a persuasive description for the above. You're going to need it for this place. Make the output larger if you want, and Command. Do it, and it's done. Now copy this, paste it here. You want witty, you want persuasive. Then just remove everything. Write an intro. The intro is written. Write an outline. The outline is written. Now copy this section. Done. Copy number 2. Do the same for number 3. Even number 4 and number 5 is also written. Number 6 is also. So I have, what can I say? Now why not write number 7 as well? Now the job is done. Write a conclusion. Cool stuff. Now an 842 words blog post is written in just about 5 minutes, 30 seconds. You want to add more? Go ahead. You want to copy directly anything from anywhere? Copy the whole thing from here. Go to the content improver, paste it here, and generate AI content. Now basically the same content is rewritten using AI, and using just one click, you can literally add another 100 words. Awesome. Thank you very much. Wasn't that awesome? I will leave the link to Jasper. That will be my affiliate link in the description. Now, where is the money? The big money. Step number 1, make money by writing content with AI. That will be totally effortless and timeless. Step number 2, sell that content and earn in multiple different ways. Step number 3, eventually be rich with video. So basically, when you are taking the writing jobs, getting the gigs, even creating your Fiverr gig, all these experiences, take snapshots and take notes in Epic. Make simple videos, just the same as we made this, putting information together using Epic, putting images and text. And now comes the big money. Publish your Epic made videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. I will give you example of YouTube Shorts alone. YouTube Shorts is less than 1 minute long, tall videos that you can make using Epic. Epic has an option to make tall videos, and they are all under 1 minute long. Shorter the better. So when you have all those experience of creating Fiverr, getting Fiverr job, closing the deal, making more and more gigs, making more and more money, writing using AI, all those awesome experiences, take snapshots and make small tip videos that are helpful for others. So just the same way we are making helpful videos, you will make helpful videos using Epic without effort and publish them. People love them. Look at the number of views: 629,000, 26,000 views, 6.6 million views. If you are motivated like us, you can even publish larger videos. I mean longer videos, just like this, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, or even more, using Epic, or use camera if you like to. But anyways, make videos. Look at this number of views about writing. Actually, 4.75 million people every single month search on YouTube about writing. 4.75 million. With your awesome tips, tricks, experience videos, you will attract these people and they will buy from you. So in your videos, offer something helpful with your affiliate link, and inside video mention that there is a link in the description of the video or in the first comment. And if your videos are on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, put your link in the bio and tell people that the link is in the bio so they can check it out. If your content is good, you build rapport and relationship and trust with your audience. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will click your links and they will buy from you the same way they buy from us. So all these clicks we showed you are the clicks generated from our videos that we use Epic to build, and they came from the content and the trust we build using simple but helpful information. Now, do you want to see the big money? $4.8 million. It was earned without extra effort. So here you go. Udemy. Udemy is a place where people upload their bundle of videos in the form of online courses. Udemy call them online courses. And Udemy has over 100 million monthly visitors. 20% of those visitors come from Google. So by uploading your videos on Udemy, you're basically getting free customers from Udemy and Google. This particular writing course for beginners was sold to 48,444 students at $99.99 price point, and look at how much money they made theoretically. Theoretically, because we cannot guarantee they made this much money. Yes, chances are they made a lot less money, but you can see the potential. All these videos are not new. They are the exact same videos you made for YouTube and other social media in order to get customers. So you upload those videos as a bundle or as a course on Udemy, and you will get free customers from Udemy and Google and make passive income without extra work. $4.8 million is good. What do you think about this video? This video was good. So we put together all this information from the internet and from our experience, and then we put them on Epic. And this whole campaign is inside Epic for the users to access and make their own video using AI and other tools. And yes, Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab it. So did you like our video? Did you like our gesture of helping you? If you liked it, go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. This way you participate in our noble mission of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you and follow you for sharing this awesome information, and eventually they will become your first customers and you will be the one helping us reach our goal of helping 100 million. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will know you as the most important viewer and will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.